Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can search for files and folders on your Mac operating system. So I'm going to show you two different ways in which you can search for files and folders. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, in the first option, what you can do is on your menu bar, you have this option for the search spotlight. So this is the icon for the search spotlight, which is this magnifying glass. So just click on this magnifying glass and it will open the spotlight search. So whatever file or folder you want to search on your Mac operating system, just type the name of that. For example, I will type documents here, and this spotlight search is going to show you all the result related to this document. So there is this document folder in the finder. Also you can search for document in the Chrome browser, which is the default browser in my case. You can also see documents Instagram, documents Facebook, documents TK. So all these documents are present in my Mac operating system. So it shows that result. I can also see the result related to maps. So it also shows that to me, and then also it can search for document on any website using Siri, right? And it also search in the Photos app if any file name which is related to document, it's going to search for that, and you can see all the other options, right? So you can search in the spotlight for any document and folder. Let me show you the second way. And in the second way, you just need to open your finder. So I'm going to just click on the finder and then open, let's say, documents folder, right? This is just an example. You can open any folder in the finder and you will be able to see the search icon at the top, right? So I can click on this search icon and then I can search for the files and folder. So if you remember the name of the file, just type the name of the file. For example, I will just write doc here. So what this does is it searches for this keyword doc in each and every file on your Mac operating system. So you can see it's searching this Mac. This Mac means it's going to search all the documents on your Mac operating system, right? So whatever you see in front of search is going to search there on your Mac operating system. So right now it's searching for this Mac. That means all the files and folder on your Mac operating system. You can also search in a specific folder by just selecting that folder. So right now I have just selected the documents folder, right? For example, and I want to search for sample, for example, and I just want to search in the documents folder. So I have this option using which I can select the documents folder only, and then it's going to search in the documents folder itself and not in the whole Mac, right? So you can select this Mac or the folder name itself, and it's going to just refine your search and only search your text file in the particular folder, right? So this is how you can search for files and folders on your Mac operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.